You'll be amazed to learn that whoever built the Egyptian pyramids knew our Earth's size accurately, no matter how they managed it. It's clear that those who built it over 4500 years ago were very familiar with Earth's dimensions even before their time. The more we try to learn about the pyramids of Egypt, the more we become puzzled by them. There's no doubt they are filled with many mysteries, which Egyptologists have been trying to solve till today. The biggest mystery among them is how the pyramids were built and what their true purpose was. After years of hard work and research, we have discovered that the pyramids were built as tombs for Egyptian pharaohs. In ancient Egypt, being buried in a pyramid was considered a great honor, believed to elevate a king even above the gods. Despite decades of searching, archaeologists have yet to discover any pharaoh's mummy inside a pyramid. For instance, the Great Pyramid alone was constructed using approximately 2.3 million blocks of limestone, each weighing as much as an elephant. The pyramid's base covers approximately 13 acres and reaches a towering height of 481 feet. What's truly astonishing is the exact alignment of its eastern and western walls towards the North Pole, achieved with the precision of a modern compass. Additionally, the base level of the pyramid is remarkably precise, differing by only 0.75 inches. Engineers understand that leveling an area as large as 3 acres to such precision is typically accomplished using modern laser leveling systems. Each side measures exactly 230 meters in length, with difference between them no more than 2 inches. This astonishing consistency means that these walls are accurate to 99.98% when compared to each other. The discussion is not over yet. Those who built the Great Pyramid were well aware of the size of the Earth thousands of years ago. As you know, in winter the days are short and the nights are long. The exact opposite is found in summer, where the nights are short and the days are long. But there are only 2 days in the year when both day and night are equal in length. One is March 21st and the other is September 22nd. On these 2 days, the sun is exactly at the center of the equator, as you can see in this photo. This event is called the solar equinox. This means that on these 2 days, there are 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. If you convert 12 hours into seconds, it becomes 43,200 seconds. If 43,200 is multiplied by the height of the Great Pyramid, the result is 633 kilometers, which is approximately the same length as the Earth's polar radius. In percentage terms, the calculations of those who built the pyramid are 99.63% accurate. You might think this is a coincidence, but if the perimeter of the pyramid's base, which is 0.921 kilometers, is multiplied by 43,200, the answer is 3984 kilometers. You will be surprised to note that this is 99.34% accurate compared to the circumference of the Earth, which is the entire distance around the globe. A coincidence happens only once, but achieving results over 99% accurate twice makes us think deeply. You might still think this is just a coincidence, but as we had just seen, the number 43,200, which is related to the solar equinox, also proves something else. Normally, the pyramid appears to have 4 sides, but in reality, it has 8. Yes, these 8 sides are only visible from above on the day of the solar equinox. This discovery was first made in 1940 by a British Air Force pilot flying over the pyramid. Now the question arises, how did the builders of the pyramid thousands of years ago know about the Earth's polar radius and equatorial circumference? The pyramids of Egypt are more complicated than we can imagine. Knowing all these facts make it hard to believe they were built around 4,000 years ago in ancient times. Did the builders possess some magical power, or did another being help them? Some theories suggest that the Egyptians didn't build the pyramids. Graham Hancock, author of Fingerprints of the Gods, proposed that the pyramids are linked to the 3 stars of the Orion Constellation. According to his theory, the position of the Giza pyramids exactly matches these stars, but not in the current era or even 4,500 years ago during the time of the ancient Egyptians. Instead, the stars match the pyramid's position 13,500 years ago. This astronomical evidence suggests that the pyramids were built around 11,400 BC. However, there is no evidence of an ancient Egyptian civilization existing at that time. If you think this astronomical evidence is weak, what about this physical evidence? Professor Robert Schoch from Boston University states that the Giza Plateau, which is a dry area today, was just as dry during the Pharaoh's time. However, the erosion on the 240-foot-tall limestone sphinx was not just caused only by wind and sand, but also by water. This type of erosion could only be happen if water was rushing through the area. Similar erosion can be found on the other mountains that were once engulfed by fast-moving water. If the ancient Egyptians did not build this sphinx, it means this place was dry after their era. Could there have been water here before that time? Science has evidence that around 97,000 BC, the last ice age ended. Glaciers melted, turned into water, and sea levels rose by 500 feet. During this event, a significant amount of water flowed through the area where the Sphinx stands today. Connection between the pyramid and the Earth's size and equinoxes, its alignment with true north, the laser level accuracy of its base, the lack of mummies, and the 99.98% accuracy of the pyramid's wall all suggest that an advanced civilization rather than the Egyptians might have built the pyramids. It's also possible that the Egyptians found the pyramids already built and started using them for their religious purposes. Hieroglyphs found in many places in Egypt, which provide a lot of information about the ancient Egyptians' history and religion, unfortunately don't mention anything about the construction of the pyramids. As science advances, one day the truth will surely come to light. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share it. See you in the next amazing video. Thank you.